Hello guys! Hello everyone! I got myself a big surprise. I'm gonna open up with you guys. Okay. I don't know what's in here, but I bought it myself. Let's see.
You know what's in here.
I know. But I'm still excited what it looks like in real. In my bare eyes. It says security tape around it. And it's like,
How much is it?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Why?
It's quite expensive.
I know how much it is. Tell your audience, Mum.
Why should I tell? I don't want to show off them. There's other bits to open. It's really packaged. The packaging is really tough. You know, it's hard to open it. It's like,
It's already been 1 minute 25 seconds.
yeah, you can fast forward, fast track it. Hi guys! I'm back for a longest period of time. Evie, have to show you something.
So here is the Apple Watch, my mum's Apple Watch. It is about focus. It is a gold aluminum case with pink a sport loop. So that is very nice. And we are going to
Unbox it. There you go.
So you're gonna open it.
I'm gonna open it.
You excited?
It's all sealed. Yes, of course. It's all sealed. I don't know how to open it. I think I'm gonna need a scissors.
Okay.
I can't.
Okay, wait, I'll go get something.
Here.
Okay. Wait a second.
Evie's getting the scissors because we forgot. Sorry. Here you go. By the way, guys, this is a present from my husband
Because you lost the other one?
because I lost my other one. So
But
he got
she's
me a
not.
replacement, which is more upgraded, I think, because this is a cellular one. So this is how you're gonna open it. There you go. It's a proper box.
Brand new, right?
It's really brand new. It's sealed.
Oh,
There is the box. Says
it has
Iwatch.
loads of iWatches in it.
And look, lovely. There you go. So the box is like this.
Very nice.
So that's the color of my iWatch. And this is, I think, what's this? This is a strap, the strap. Let me open the strap first. So that's come with the special casing that will show you how to do it. There you go. And this is the color or this is the
This
kind
one?
of strap
Ooh.
I got.
It's like kind of like a rough but nice and soft
Yeah.
texture.
Looks rough, but it's a smooth texture though.
Quite squishy, like memory foam.
It's similar to a Velcro type, I think. So, it has a seal. There you go. Just pull it like that, and there's the strap. And here we are. We're gonna open the main thing, which is the iWatch.
Ooh,
So the
there
iWatch,
it
the box is really hard. It's very nice. And the instructions, I think instructions are here.
is. Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. Quite really hard.
Yeah.
So it's just the instructions.
And this is, I believe, the charger, which is good. So it's good when you travel. It doesn't stick out
Let's
plug.
see. So you go.
Let's see. So this is the best charger plug I like because you can unfold it. There you go. So it's pretty nifty, isn't it? There you go.
Then you can use this with any device.
Yeah, all USB device. So this is the cable charger.
Very nice. I love the strap. Very nice.
So I think you just have like a magnetic charger
It's
thing.
fancy.
Yeah,
Fancy.
it's fancy. Like a doctor stethoscope. Chuk, 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 chuk. But it isn't. It's a charger. It's a wireless. It's like a wireless charger thingy. Duck. Like that. You just have to do it like this. Then it will charge your iWatch.
Is this like a nice case?
This is a nice
Soft.
packaging.
It's really
It's
soft.
like a white cover texture, so your watch is well protected during transport, even though it's on the hard case. That's how special the packaging is.
And you can use it again
Yeah, there you go.
to keep it from scratches, you know.
It's nice. See?
Just the hand proportions. I have tiny hands because I'm a child, but yeah, very nice. Yeah, this is good, like when you put it in your purse or something, so then keys won't scratch it and stuff,
Yeah.
and other
So
stuff.
I think you have to just slide. I haven't read the instruction, but
Just read the instructions before you break it.
I'm not gonna break it, of course. But it's simple. I think you're just gonna have to slide it like that. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna read the instruction of how to do the strap attached to the iWatch. See you later.
Bye. Okay, enough of the time lapse, and it's the great.
Okay, guys, it's from the Soup's company. They do layaway. It's like a layaway or installment, because this is quite an expensive item that I bought for myself as an investment, and I really want it. The packaging is really good. Look, it has a tissue paper and lots of styro like foamy inside, so it's well protected. And let's see what's in here. It's quite a big box for a small item, I think. Ooh, look at this. Hooray, Chanel. Actually, this is my dream. I promised to myself when I reach 40, I should have Chanel, but it didn't happen. So I make it a point to have it now.
At
Since-
44.
At 44. Since I got the opportunity, I did grab it. Look. Okay. It still comes with a very nice box on it. The
So much packaging.
Yeah, the original box. It's still there, and
Lovely velvety case.
velvety dust bag case. And here's the item, guys. It's kilt caviar leather. There you
Okay.
go.
Let's see the chain.
The chain is gold.
Proper gold.
Yeah, it's a proper
Real-
gold.
Real gold.
It is real gold in it. There you go.
It's not fake, is it?
Nope, it's original. It has the authenticity card on it. And it really smells good. The bag has slim packet outside and in there as well. It has a zip packet for your coins or anything small that can drop in it. There. Another slim packet, and it has six credit cards or cards compartment. And here you can put your phone, iPhone, maybe some compact lipstick or compact powder. There you go.
I put it on.
And still has this is like the company who
Yeah.
I bought it from. There you go. Hooray! I'm so happy I got my Chanel bag wallet on chain. Here. You can make it shorter by putting it this way. I think how to do it.
I don't know. Gotta look up it.
I think you just have to double it like that so it's shorter. Just there. Like
Much shorter.
much shorter this time, or like that, or you can have it like shoulder back, like the small. There, see, it's multi-strap purpose as well. Yeah, lovely. There. Or if you want, you can just use it like a clutch bag. But I cannot put anything else. Just like that. Thank you. Thanks, Ibi. See you later, guys.
Is the video?